You can ask Secretary Rafael Lotilla and former Bangko Central Governor Felipe Medalla to recall an incident in 1999 how I stubbornly recommended, against all odds, a failure of bidding in NIDA when, as an observer, I noticed one company won top 3 of the selection of office uniform purchase. Had the Philippine government recruited the likes of me as inspector in DPWH 26 years ago, this Diskaya scheme, one owner, multiple company bids, would have not have happened to this country. I am willing to return to work in Philippine government to help solve this massive infrastructure corruption. The appropriate position for me would be project inspector, and it can be with DBM, COA, DPWH, DPED, DENR, Senate Committee on Appropriations. Pag ako nandyan as inspector, I guarantee walang makakalusot na corruption sa projects na ma-assign sa akin.